the most insane mailer from Amazon, I think. It's huge. Let's open it together. How cute is this little bag? Casemate. I feel like I've made it because I've never gotten an Amazon PR mailer before. Casemate waterproof phone pouch razor. 2 products from Nioxin. I actually love this root lifting spray, so super excited to get another one. Gentle cleansing oil, probably for like double cleansing. Begin your journey to changing the life of your hair. This is a really cute bottle. So Pantene Pro Vitamin Essence rebuilds hair strength weightless leave-in treatment. Laneige water sleeping mask, sunscreen. This is heavy. It's like we have a beach towel and a cooler. Underwater camera. We're gonna have to book something ASAP. This is cool. It's a Glow 24K neck and face massager. This is so nice. This is handmade with love. And it's personalized and so cute. Little bubble letter. Cleanser and shave cream. Love this from L'Oreal. Never heard of this, but it says fidget stones with aroma to help you remain calm and present. That's a grounding stone. Oh, G is gonna love this. I think they're a bunch of like grilling hubs. That's cool. Yay, we have a fun boy. Cute little shorts. Vitamin C from a company called Rambling Rose. Oh, and it's a little like charm necklace. Okay, but this is really cute. It is very like summer beach inspired. Here's what it looks like. It's super cute. It has to be one of the best PR packages I've gotten because it was a ton of stuff and a ton of essentials for summer. It's stuff that I actually can use. So I'm super excited and so thankful. And I don't know how I got on Amazon's tier list, but I hope they never take me off because this was so much fun.